All right, everybody, welcome to 2026. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
It's good to be back, brother.
It's good to be back. It's good to be back. Welcome back, everyone.
Oh, yes. Guys, we hope you had a fantastic start to the year.
Hope you guys had a good festive season.
Yeah.
Happy New Year to each and everyone joining us. You guys are gonna see us shortly. But listen, we are prepared. We are amped up for this session. Before we get started, just put a fire emoji on the chat, guys, and let us know that you are here with us. There we go.
Hey, man, guys, listen, it's good to be with you here once again. Myself and T, we're pushing. Good afternoon. Happy New Year. Before we get started, don't forget the information we discuss in this video is opinion. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't construe this as advice in any way.
Yeah, boy, yes. That's very important, very important. Heading into the new year, 2026, we want to comply. We don't want to waste any opportunity.
Ooh, I love the way you said that. We want to comply.
I mean, we've been compliant, but we don't want to mess that up.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Sir.
We see who is in the chat facility here. Let's see. Let's have a go, guys.
Hey, listen, we've got Jules, as always, Michael, Peter. We've got Mel, all the way from Cape Town. We've got, obviously, Peter Kim. We've got Wilbard. And then, Michael again.
Mike's there, yeah.
I think the guys are ready for this one. I want to see those fire emojis, guys. Come on now.
Yeah. It's a new year, ladies and gentlemen. New response rate. It's got to go up, yeah?
Exactly.
It's
the interaction has to be insane this
year. Absolutely. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us know if you are ready to rumble.
Let us know. Are you ready to humble? do you have that voice, that WWE voice, ready to rumble?
Yeah. I think do you think I can pull it off?
Yeah, I'll try it. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, guys. It's good to be with you. Look at it. We're right here, safe and sound.
There we go. Happy New Year. Happy 2026. My man, it was a good festive.
Yeah. Good breakaway, brother.
Good breakaway.
Yeah.
Happy festive season to everyone. Yo, festive season. What?
I think we just missed the guys, yeah?
Happy New Year to everyone. Hey, I mean, look, the excitement is just on fire.
Yeah.
Happy 2026, guys. We wish you guys all the best this year.
Yeah.
We wish all your goals, your dreams will happen. And by the grace of God, it should.
Yes, what you said there, what he said there is important. By the grace of God, yeah?
There we go. No, we're ready for this one. Ash?
Yeah. So, guys, we have a fantastic session set up for you guys today. We know it's NFP. And what's very important for us to, understand is that we're going to do a bit of a hybrid today.
Yeah.
We're trying something special, something fresh. You guys know Crypto Decrypted via our TDME platform, our TDME exchange is live, fully regulated. You can trade crypto derivatives right on this platform, as you see right in front of you right now. Every Friday, we have a Crypto Decrypted session where we speak crypto, exclusively crypto, all right? We chat about the platform, which we're going to take some of you guys through now. Remember, guys, because we are busy with it, there's many guys that may not have jumped onto this specific line of thought yet. So we want to just bring this reminder back, knowing that there will be additional crypto classes from an education standpoint. That's Mondays to Fridays, and then obviously the live trading crypto platform and room right here.
Yep. So that is the schedule that you guys know. Unless you are joining us for the first time, just please subscribe to the channel. Look, we've got more of these things still coming up, right? We have the Crypto Decrypted, as Ash said, and then we've got more for you guys. So just make sure you subscribe to the channel and then you stay in touch. All social media platforms, you stay in touch, right?
Absolutely. And then obviously we want to do the fold over then to the NFP, non-farm payroll. You guys know me and T, we missed these ones together because last year was a crazy one, right?
It was a crazy one.
With the government shutdown and, even the tariffs leading up to the shutdown, because it was the tariffs, then the shutdown came, and then it was like silence.
Yeah, it was a mess, bro. It was a mess.
It was a mess.
Yeah.
We're seeing, are you sure there's no sound? Or maybe, guys, the rest of the people, just let us know. Just type there if the audio is perfect. If it's not, we're seeing there is someone that did say there isn't. So just let us know real quickly, all right? Just pop it in the chat facility quickly.
Yeah.
All right, we see Jace, the sound is good. All right, so that would be, I don't know how to pronounce that one there, T. Maybe you can Narukusani. Do I have it right?
Where is it?
It's just below the TD 24/7 with TDME. Guys, our marketing team, beautiful, majestic, magical marketing team is in the chat facility there as well. They're providing all links to you to open up your TDME account, as you can see there. All right, so make sure you see that. It's right below, is it Narukusani?
Yeah, Narukusani 2096. The sound is perfect. It's perfect. Maybe they will just have to restart their device or check their audio settings. But on our end, everything is flowing. Hey, look, it's 2026. We're going hard this year.
We're going hard this year, man.
Listen. They're not ready.
Yeah. For what's in the pipeline.
They're not ready. Listen, guys. Listen to us. We're going hard this year. Yeah, it's our year. Definitely. Right. So as Ash said, so we're going to cross over to NFP.
Yeah.
We have the Crypto Decrypted. We've had these sessions before last year.
Yeah.
And you guys, we've got positive reception from these sessions.
Yes.
So we're just going to do a bit of that. And then we're going to cross over to the NFP, what you guys have been waiting for.
Absolutely. And we're also seeing there now, was it King there with the withdrawals? Our marketing department did put assistance for you in the chat facility. All right. There must be an explanation for that. Believe us, we'll get to the bottom of it. So just make sure you reach out to the contacts over there. All right.
Definitely.
Audio's good. All right. We got Blade in the chat facility as well.
We still need to ask him, where's this name coming from? Blade.
Yeah, Blade.
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, let's get into it. Crypto Decrypted. Let's give some reminders to the guys. Myself and T, we quickly want to let you guys know about why, or at least why it's so important for you to understand that we have a fully fledged, fully regulated trading platform available for you guys. It's the future. One, obviously, we want to provide options, different benefits to our clients in the trading journey. Now, on the platform, guys, we offer you derivatives. It's derivative trading. All right. Now, what that simply means, all right, just as a reminder for the guys that may not know, that's even here for the first time. All right. It is a financial tool. And you are basically trading the value of that specific asset.
Yep.
So you won't be owning the Bitcoin, because a coin is $94,000.
Yeah.
Now, if you have $94,000, that's perfect. You can purchase it, right? But if you don't, you opt to come to derivative trading, because now you will be trading at least paying a fraction of the price, whether it's Bitcoin, whether you're doing gold on the MT5, whether you're doing stocks with us on the MT5, it doesn't matter. On the FX side, this is the crypto side specifically for crypto. Remember, you don't own it, guys. There's no expiration date on it. You can profit, all right, on that specific derivative, whether it goes up or whether it goes down. So you guys will know that's a long and that's a short. So this is not necessarily an educational session that me and T is giving you. We're just doing a bit of reminders here. All right. Now, remember, just very simply, when you go long on a derivative, it's you obviously putting that from an analysis perspective that the price will rise. You buying that specific contract, and vice versa. The short, it's going to sell. So, or at least it's going to go down. So you're selling the contract. All right. Thirdly, you can also utilize leverage, guys. That's what allows you to actually pay a fraction of the price. It is the leverage, the power to actually amplify that. And T is going to show you that order entry box, or at least the margin simulator on the far right-hand side. He'll explain that to you guys now. But we just wanted to get you guys in that specific flow to know that this is the route we are going. You can utilize the TDME platform also as a hedging tool. We mentioned this in the market review meeting. You could go long, you can go short on this, and you can also tune into the MT5, also trading there as well. So, whether you're doing MetaTrader 5 crypto or here, all right, we are providing a lot of options to our clients. All right. T, I think that's all right, Def, just for an intro. You want to take us through the through that margin level there, brother?
Yeah, definitely. And before we get right into it, remember, guys, right? Many of you guys might be asking yourself, why did we have an exchange? Why do we have an exchange whereas we have crypto on our MetaTrader platform? Now, remember, excuse me, the world. Remember, the world is moving in the direction of crypto. All right. So in a couple of years, in a few years from now, we're going to be able to pay and buy anything through crypto. That's where the world is going. That's why we have things like stable coins and all of that. We're going to touch on that in a different session. All right.
Yes.
And if you slightly go back, remember when in 2016, 15, 16, when Bitcoin caught attention, all right, caught the fire. The market went up aggressively, right? And then there was a point where the market went down. There was a lot of speculation, people thinking, this is a scam, what, at that point in time. Why?
Yes.
Because many people didn't know actually what crypto and what Bitcoin is, let alone crypto, what Bitcoin is, right?
Yes.
But now fast forward, you look at your chart right now.
Yeah.
There's the chart right now on the screen.
Right there,
Look at how far crypto, look at how far Bitcoin went up. And after that, you had other coins following. You've got your altcoins and all of that. There was a session where we spoke about the difference between altcoins and the Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin is the number one crypto.
Yes.
Can we say the father?
He's the
of crypto?
father. You can say, father.
Yeah, right.
What if it's father and mother?
Well, it's the parent.
It's the parent. Let's just call it the parent.
The parent. And then you've got your Ethereum, number 2, your XRP, and all the other altcoins.
Yes.
Some of them were even caught attention on social media. Remember Dogecoin?
Yes, sir.
It's a meme coin, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm saying this to say that this is where the world is headed right now, right? And like I said, there's more coming from us to you guys in terms of crypto, so you better watch out. So going to our margin requirement or margin table. You see now in our exchange, we have that for you where it can automate your margin to know what is the value of your position, what are you going to be paying, and obviously playing around leverage, right? So we're going to start from the very top.
Yes.
Now, obviously, just like your MT platform, you can enter your position via market execution or via a limit order, right? We also have it there. You can, just the same as the MT platform.
Yes.
And then slightly below, obviously, you've got the long and short. You can choose which one you want. Now, where it's written long or free margin, right? Whether it's going to be short free margin or long free margin, that indicates your funds in your account, right? The funds in your account. And then we've got quantity now, right? So this is where it might get a little bit complex for some of the guys. But look, don't confuse this with the quantity you see on the MetaTrader platform.
Exactly, bro. That's
right?
a powerful, the distinction is very, very
because
important.
On the MT platform, it's only 0.01, 0.02.
Yes.
Whereas here, you can go to 0.0002.
Yes.
Maybe if you can do it there, Ash, and show them, right? You can trade the derivative. And the quantity is 0.0002.
Yes, which is a 10,000th of the coin.
There we go. There's a specific name for that. There's a Satoshi.
A Satoshi.
There's a Satoshi, right? And there's something else there. We'll get the names for you guys, right? We'll get the names for you. I think let's see. There we go. I think we found it here, Ash. Okay, not yet. But anyway, we'll get the names for you. But there's a Satoshi, there's different things. And then slightly below that, then you've got your margin slider, right? You've got your margin slider where you can choose, what leverage. You can choose what leverage you want to use. Do you want to use 15x? Do you want to go in this position with 15x or 10x? Is entirely up to you.
Yes.
But what you will notice, if you slide that margin there, the leverage, I meant to say leverage. Below where it says value, used margin, and fees.
There we go.
You will notice that it changes according to the margin or the leverage you're using.
Yes.
My goodness. Right. So you need to be aware of that. The value of your position.
Yes.
The used margin, meaning how much you're going to pay as margin to hold that position and maintain that position.
Yes.
Right. And obviously the fees, which are super low fees.
Yes.
We've got this on our mobile app, mobile version as well.
Exactly.
And that fees section there will show you how super low fees we have.
Yes.
Right. So try it out. Let us know.
Yeah.
And then obviously you long the BTC or you short it, you can just click there.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
And then slightly below now, this is where it shows you what I would say, another important thing to this, which is the margin level, how your margin is, right? Just like the MT platform or the FX, we do have margin call, we do have liquidation and all of that. We also have it here where with our platform is going to show you the margin call, which is 50%, and the liquidation, which is 30%. Liquidation means that your position will be forcefully closed because you don't have enough margin.
Yes.
Right. So let's say you're in a position, maybe it's running in a loss, and then you have exhausted your margin. You are going to get a margin call to say, hey, look, you are running at a super low margin. And if you continue to hold on to the position, it goes further into negatives, then it might get to liquidation. So you need to be careful with that. We have that for you there, right? And then I think from there, Ash, the rest is simple. Your total P&L, your free balance is there, your equity to see how it's floating. I think from there, it's super simple.
Yeah, and I mean, look, guys, he broke that down nicely. Obviously, with the classes and so forth, we'll go into more detail like we do with the MetaTrader 5.
Yeah.
But essentially, this is a terminal that you find on the MetaTrader 5. It just looks different. There's a different color to it, but for the most part, the framework, the principle is the same. All right, from the equity to the margin level, percentage, etc., etc. So that remains the same. I think also what is critical for us is the main chart window, which is so important because this is where a lot of guys are doing their analysis. You guys can see we got the plugin there with Trading View. You can extend this. You can obviously enlarge it like I've just done here. There's your tools on the side, and obviously if you favorite that, brother.
Yeah, I was looking for that word. If you favorite that,
like
then
this,
it's gonna create a shortcut to the tools.
It creates 100% what teacher said. It creates a shortcut. So when you expand it, all your favorites are right there for you to utilize. Now, remember, we mentioned this could be like a hedging tool as well.
Yeah.
So if you are buying, as an example, right on here, and then, let's just say temporarily the dollar is strengthening against cryptos. All right. But now you've bought here and you're holding those positions. You can always open up a selling position as well. Or you can run over to the MT5 and hedge it on that side. So both options are available for you, just to give you some of that context. And I think, from a technical analysis perspective, it's going to remain the same, guys.
Yeah.
Exactly how you analyze on the MetaTrader 5, or if you're still using the 4, but we'll obviously encourage you guys to push to the 5 as well. If you are analyzing there with equidistant channels or your squares, it doesn't matter. Your arrows. Guys, it's the same. It may just look a little bit different. You will take time to get used to it. If you're not used to TradingView, I know T, you use TradingView quite a bit as well, quite extensively. So you will get used to it over time. So don't put too much pressure on yourself. It's not worth it, all right? At the end of the day, the guys are here to learn. We're here to walk with you. So we're here to answer questions from an education standpoint. We're going to make sure that we explain it and you guys are kept up to date, yeah?
And also, remember, we've got the mobile version, right?
Yes.
Or the mobile app of this. So on the mobile app, don't expect the PC version to be the same as the mobile app. If you want to open up, you can still open up a chart on the mobile, but in terms of the tools we just spoke about, it might be a bit different. All right.
Yeah.
So keep it simple. Try to do your analysis on the PC, and then you can transact on your app. I think from there, if you have your positions, you can easily monitor them on the app. And remember, we are both on Android and iOS. Come on now.
Yes.
That's where we are, right? So if you have an Android or iOS, we are there. We are there. So I think from the interface point of view, I think we sorted the Ash, right?
Yeah.
We've covered what you need to cover, and then we are on Bitcoin right now, which I think let me just give a short synopsis of what's happening right now in the crypto. Remember, we've been talking about our main indicators, which is your ETF outflows, inflows. You've got your other indicators like your Bitcoin dominance, your altcoin season index, and your crypto cap, crypto market cap. Now, what's been happening for the past couple of days is we've had a lot of outflows, ETF outflows, both BTC and ETF. We also have XRP. But now, the majority of the outflows is on BTC. And remember, BTC has a big chunk, or it holds a big chunk of the market cap, right? So whatever BTC reacts or however it reacts, the market cap will also react because it holds a big chunk. I think about 58% or 59% of the total market cap. So now we've had a lot of BTC outflow. So what does that mean? It means money is rotated out of the BTC ETF. That means the issuer has to now find some way to recover the money. So that means if the money is rotated out, the price of that underlying asset tends to go down. Now BTC is going down right now. Ethereum is going down right now because of those outflows. But nothing has changed in terms of the altcoin season index. In fact, that one highlights that is the Bitcoin season.
Yeah.
Normally, when it's the Bitcoin season, Bitcoin goes up, Ash, right?
Yeah.
But it has been going down.
It's been exactly.
What's been happening? It's manipulation. That's what's been happening. It's just pure manipulation because the banks are expanding their reserves. The whales, obviously, they are buying and selling, but the companies, the big boys, so to say, they're expanding their reserve by buying more Bitcoin. I mean, we spoke about MicroStrategy.
Yes.
We spoke about Bullish. These companies, they continue to expand their reserve. So what's been happening right now is pure manipulation. Once that is over, Ash, I'm anticipating Bitcoin to go up.
Amen. I'm also anticipating to go up,
Listen.
bro. You know, that also, so from a funding perspective, bro, once that starts to happen, right? So I see there was a question there.
There was a question.
There was a question. So you're just going to click on deposit USDT there.
Yeah.
And then obviously you're going to click on ZAR here. And when you put your amount that you want to get in, all right, example 100 or whatever, it will convert to the USDT, which is a stable coin, and it will actually convert to that. All right, once you actually deposit. But remember, all of this here, we have special classes that we're going to be having where we'll be doing the tutorials, the demonstrations for you guys, so you can see it. We'll be chatting about Zarcoin as well and why it's so important from a payment perspective, because T had touched on that. So we'll be doing conversions for you guys. We'll be chatting about the wallets, etc. We got quite a bit packed out for this year. All right, we've started the engines, fantastic meetings, great things in the pipeline, and we can't wait to get started. Yeah,
started the engines. No, I like that. I like that.
You started the engines.
So I hope that answers Peter's question.
Yes.
There we go. Yeah, so it's a simple process to fund, to deposit and withdraw. And remember, if you we've got Zark. I'm not sure if the promotion is still ongoing. Maybe let us know their promotion where if you make your first deposit.
Yes.
I don't want to mention it now. Just get clarity on that, and then we'll mention it.
Yes, it is. It is there. So
it's still.
Yes, it is still running.
Active. Okay.
Once you open, you get your Zark. You deposit. You get you get an extra 50 Zark.
There we go. Right. There we go. So upon registration, you get 50 Zark. Upon deposit, you get another 50 Zark.
Exactly.
So look, man, we are ready for this thing.
Exactly. And guys, remember, so it's not just about trading crypto derivatives. You utilize the TDME platform for payments, merchandise, or at least merchant payments as well, because I think that offers so much value. It takes seconds to actually put a specific payment through. And this is some of the benefits that you guys will definitely, get to lock in for 2026.
Definitely. So just continue trading, guys. The infrastructure is there, the exchange is there, made it very simple, super low fees. So look, we've got classes. Ash mentioned we've got classes as well. So look, we're excited to have you on those classes.
Yeah.
Mondays to Fridays. Get in touch with our support department.
Yes.
They'll sort you out.
All right. And guys, the links is in the chat facility there.
Yep.
So please make use of that at this point in time. Yeah. Guys, we want to switch over. We got some information on the NFP as well. Some fundamentals, making sure that the guys know what's happening. We can look for opportunities.
Yep.
Are you ready for that, T?
No, look, I'm ready. Are the guys ready?
Yeah, let's hear.
Maybe they should let us know.
Yeah, they should let us know. Are you guys ready? Yeah.
Right. NFP ready. We've been waiting. There's been a government shutdown. We've been waiting. Are you guys ready for the NFP? The first one for this year, of course, 2026. The report is the December figures.
Yeah.
I don't know. Are you guys ready? Let me see a fire emoji on the chat or something. Or something, Come on. Yes, there we go. There we go. This will look familiar to the OGs.
Yeah. The OG.
The OGs. Come on, the song even changes. This will look familiar to the OGs. Guys, we are back. This is the NFP. We've been waiting for the NFP. Come on now.
2 in 1, ladies and gentlemen.
You know how we do it. We've got so much for you guys, all right? So, look, we're excited. I'm excited. The NFP. We're going to have a bit of a conversation. If you're joining us for the first time, please do subscribe. We do this on every NFP and CPI release. That is the first Friday of each month. CPI is second or third week of every month. Just check your calendar.
Yes.
Check us on social media. But look, we do this, right? Subscribe and you will find us. Listen, NFP, we are back. Non-farm payroll. December, October, November, there was a government shutdown.
Yes.
There was there was NFP released in December, right?
There was, and there was like a backlog, and it all came at once.
Is it?
Yeah. So there was like so that created a lot of movement.
Yeah.
But it wasn't something that was like really expected by many guys because many people were uncertain about how long the shutdown's going to take and so forth. So I think many people kind of like just said, you know what? We'll just wait for them to announce it and they'll just catch up, you know?
Yeah. And it was released on the 16th of December.
Which was a public for us, right?
I was about to say, many of us.
Yeah.
We were not on our charts.
The 16th. Where were the guys?
Maybe, where were you on the 16th? Hey, you're going to get answers that are,
listen,
bro,
trying to keep did you think some of the guys was already on the beach on the 16th?
Of course.
They were on the beach, no?
Of course. I mean, Mel was at the beach on the 15th.
Yeah, when. Mel, we know you watching from where you are. You must defend yourself.
And all the Cape Town guys, they were at the beaches there. No, look. Yeah, so the 16th, that's when the report came out. But no, look, all is not lost.
Yes.
And we're going to catch up.
We're going to catch up. Maybe just some download on that catch up here, guys. We saw a bit of a strong dollar rise up a little bit here. Bro, I don't know if you can maybe pull up the DXY on your side there just to check where it is, where the points is.
Sure.
We had a bit of a stronger dollar today, and there was a lot of speculation on that.
It's on almost 99.100.
Yeah,
almost.
you see, bro, that there. If I look at the Euro USD now, look at that. So here, bro, is this something's not okay here, no? There we go. All right. So if you look at the Euro USD, fantastic barometer, so to speak, for the DXY, right? Look at the depth that we've now reached there. So we created a high and we came down here, right? Now that strong movement there, guys, a lot of it came as a result of the dollar strengthening. We've now gone to a near 1 month high on the DXY, which is at that 99 area there.
Yeah.
And the markets, part of why that's happening, part of the markets, or at least the markets, expect the Fed to keep those rates unchanged this month. Because remember, those rate cuts, when they cut, it does weaken that specific currency. So because they're expecting those cuts to remain unchanged this month.
Okay.
It looks like that's adding strength to the dollar now. Short temporal.
Even if the president wants rates to go lower, I think Powell's term is coming to an end.
Yes.
And there's political pressure on them reducing interest rates.
Yes.
So according to the previous meeting, they said they wanna keep it the same for at least this month.
Yes. And so that's adding, according to the to many analysts, that's adding strength to the dollar now.
Got you.
For now.
Got you.
Because the job cuts was very high.
Yeah.
Last year, I think it was the tech sector and the government sector, especially with the shutdown, a lot of cuts happened. And so that's been factored in that it might be a weaker job or at least labor report. Look at that forecast, 66,000.
66,000.
I mean, we have been here before with the the tens of thousands.
Yeah.
And then we had one that came in lower than that. You remember,
I remember
that, bro?
that one.
I can't remember the number now, but there was a lower one than 66.
Yeah. Way low.
Very low. Like what? It was lower than 30,000 jobs.
I'll tell you just now. There was one on 22,000.
Look at that.
And then September 22,000. But there was another one that was 12,000.
Exactly. It was exactly
12,000.
Very low. So at this point in time, in as much as the dollar is strengthening, let's also have a look-see at the gold.
Yeah.
Because you guys know when we look at gold, look at this. We've now went to a resistance.
Yeah.
We came up from 4415. Now look at the RSI. Strength actually started diminishing at this point. Do you see that?
Yep.
That was around 44. You know, bro, you have your specs on you. By the way, guys, look at T there, guys.
Hey, things happen, guys. Please don't crucify me. Things happen. You know, we're looking at our charts all day long.
Yeah,
our
man.
eyes, we are aging now.
Do you know what I wanted to do? I wanted to take some nice eye drops.
Yeah.
And whilst I'm on stream yesterday, put in some eye drops, bro, because you know.
See, it's this screens, bruh.
Guys, I hope you guys
Listen.
can understand that. Yeah.
Yeah, no, look. I'm trying. I'm not used to it. I'm trying. But hey, these screens are messing up our eyes now. I had to do something. You know?
So guys, it started diminishing, or at least losing, strength at 4,440.
Yeah.
Now this is the RSI is actually the true reflection of the strength. This here is the dramatization of the market. All those orders up and down, the buying, the selling, the order blocks, the pivot points, all that is actually here. And so we're seeing the drama there. But we need to look at momentum here and connect the charts.
Yeah.
Once we connect the charts, we make a more informed decision. So it started here. It was overbought. This is actually a correction. So price is still in a corrective phase here. Look at that, bro. And because it's in a corrective phase, if you buy into this now, you are buying into a rejected zone. Short term.
Got you.
Gold is still up. It's still bullish.
Very much bullish.
Very much bullish. You can look at it on the monthly. Look at this. Look at all the greens here, bro. Look at all the months. I mean, I think you mentioned it. It was in December, though, bro. That's how long. It was up over 50% strength.
Bruh, it's insane. It's insane.
Look at that. There's hardly any red there. For the whole year, gold went up. Look at that.
And also remember, the geopolitical events favors gold and silver.
Exactly.
So last year we had a lot of tariffs and all of that.
Yes.
Countries at war. So that favored gold.
Yes.
So that's why there were traders who were focusing on gold.
Yes.
Right. So we're not interested in selling gold. We're interested in buying gold because we can see the long-term potential, which is to the upside.
Yes.
Right? To the downside might be just a correction to the downside.
Yes.
But the upside potential is insane.
Now, bro, you see what many people are looking at, right? Remember, typical 101 technical analysis textbook style, right? We can see this from a overall perspective. This is bullish.
Yep.
What guys need to factor in, at some point the dollar is going to strengthen.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
that is just a higher low that's going to form, technically speaking,
Mm-hmm.
right? Now, many guys are saying, let's buy the gold. Yes, long-term up. You're holding it. But understand, guys, there has to be a corrective phase coming.
Yeah, definitely. That's structure 101.
That's structure 101, bro.
When the market breaks structure to the upside,
Yes.
at some point, there's going to be a correction that follows
Exactly.
or a retest.
And I mean, look at this 1,
Yeah,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, right? So at some point, we may come down for 3 months, maybe 2 months, hit a higher low, and then continue up. Now, that is what I think people are missing with Donald Trump's plans. Because they thinking that the dollar may weaken when those interest rates are done being cut and they've reached their target. Brother, that's when the guys realize what this guy's done.
Look.
And then they realize, whoa, so fundamentals backs that structural movement up now. Do you see that in the future? Maybe not now.
Yeah.
So many guys are going long, which is right. I mean, it's you can see this is an uptrend. But at some point, the dollar's going to strengthen, bro.
No, I'm with you. You are right, that? Bro. I'm with you there. And that's something as a trader you need to be aware of.
Yes.
If we've had an overbought move.
Exactly,
right?
Bro.
At some point, profit taking is going to happen.
Look at this.
Yeah, there we go. That's an overextended move. It's an overbought move.
I like how you said that.
Right?
It's an overextended move.
At some point, profit taking is going to happen. Whether long-term, short-term, doesn't matter.
It's going to happen.
According to structure, right, a high needs to form of all the structures and then we're gonna get that push towards the downside, which is a correction.
Exactly.
But now, something very important there, Ash, right? That correction, they must not think that gold is reversing long term.
Come on, please speak on this.
Listen, I'm gonna preach this thing. It's 2026 now. I'm gonna preach this thing. Where popo there? You can't find a popo.
No, that's hilarious, bro.
Listen,
preach
right?
it, man.
Listen, don't think it's gonna, reverse long term. No, remember, it's profit taking. You need to be able to not only look at the charts and understand, but also try to understand what's happening around you. You know, that is doing your fundamentals and all of that, being up to date and up to speed. So don't think once that correction comes from the monthly, weekly time frame.
Exactly.
It might look like it's reversing the whole thing. But not as yet.
Not as yet.
Because the world is at war. Anything can happen at any time.
Exactly.
Geopolitical events favors the dollar.
It favors the dollar. I mean,
now there was a book, T.D. Marcus' book, chapter 1, verse 3. Yeah, there we go. Sorry, you can continue there.
Hey man, listen. So so guys, quickly just in the chat facility there, just put a yes. Just put the the hands there. So guys, that move that T's speaking about. Look at this arrow that I've just drawn here. That becomes a possible area back to here. Right there. It doesn't mean it's going to go till there. It doesn't mean it's going to extend till there. Because remember, guys, you got to look at the price and be realistic as well. For price from 4,400, all right, dollars per ounce, all the way down to 2,000. That's insane. It's insane.
Yeah.
So hence we will stop somewhere in here, in between that area, find some support right there, and then extend up again. But look at that RSI. The strength is all the way to the upside.
All the way to. Hence I mentioned overextended, overbought.
Exactly. Right? Brilliant. Now check here. So the monthly is overextended. Weekly. Now check that. Look at the weekly there. It's already started somewhat of a descent. Can you see that?
On the RSI.
On the RSI, the strength. So this entire zone over here is actually a resistance. If you actually slant your chart to the side, you'll see that this is actually a resistance and that this will just be a pullback as you see the resistance. Just a pullback. That's it. Down till here and then push up again.
And also with that, price is going up. Yes, RSI is going down.
Yes.
It's creating divergence.
Exactly.
Divergence, right?
Exactly. So let me actually show the guys there.
There we go. Right. In fact, let's not take it all the way back. Take it from the recent two highs, right?
This one, yeah.
There we go. Yeah.
Brilliant. There's a divergence.
And look at the recent two highs of the RSI. There we go. That is divergence. So price is going the opposite of the indicator, right?
Exactly.
We're not saying we're using the indicator as a leading indicator. However, there's something very important to notice, that the indicator is telling us that there is bearish momentum that's building up.
Exactly.
Right? But now we're not talking in terms of long-term reversal. No.
Yeah.
So we could get that, what you just spoke about there, Ash, where we could get that correction going down slightly because of this signal of the divergence that we're seeing right now.
Exactly. Yes. And guys, remember, we're correlating this with the silver as well.
Yeah.
Look at this. I mentioned to the guys, T, that I'm going to go into silver after 79.350. I did go in, and the correction came, hit me to 74.448. And then we pushed all the way back up again. Now look how silver jumps from one area to the next so quickly.
No, look, brother. I had the guys for the advanced session yesterday, right?
Yes.
In fact, this week. And I've told them, guys, look, we are bullish on silver.
Yeah, we are bullish. Yes.
We are bullish on gold, we're bullish on silver. And on the session yesterday, gold broke out and went up. Silver also broke out and go up and went up.
Yeah.
So look, it's brilliant to see, man.
Yes.
It's brilliant to see.
And guys, just adding to what T's saying there, the brilliance of trading these derivatives, all right, trading them via CFDs, so to speak, is that they are so liquid. They move from 79 to 74 in the space of 2 days, all right?
Yeah.
And it's pushing up again. That's the kind, if you're looking at short-term trading, you're looking at the scalping, which we do now, which we want to get into now, this becomes a powerful asset to actually trade. All right.
Exactly, 100%.
So we have the silver there. We're going to look at it for some longs. If the dollar does weaken today, we're looking for the longs, guys. Very plain. It's plain and simple.
Simple.
Also, gold, we are looking for some longs over there. We're just waiting for it to cross the barrier of 44. Let me see. 4497.
All right, wait, you've got 4497, right?
Yeah.
Let me put it in there.
Yeah, 4497.85 to be specific there.
85. I see. Also, in addition to that, there's a lower level, which is 4480.3.
4480.3.
So now that's 4480.3. So my thinking here is once we breach that zone, there is going to be like an early sign that we headed to that 4497 that you mentioned.
4497.
Yeah.
Okay, but hold on. The one that you said I must look for is what?
4480.
Oh, there it is there.
Yeah, you see
I got
that
it there
high
already.
there,
Okay,
yeah.
I
So
did
now,
get it right. Yeah.
my thought process is once we breach that level or that area, then that's going to serve as an early sign.
What time frame do you want to close above there?
I mean, the 1 hour is perfect.
It's perfect. Now.
Yeah, the 1 hour is perfect. So that could serve as an early sign that, hey, look, we're pushing up to that 4497.8 and possibly breaking it, because if I zoom out of my 4-hour chart, there's been some higher lows that have been forming. So that's an indication that momentum is still bullish. So there's a higher probability that we're going to go up and break that 4497 and head back. I see you've got the TP there, Ash. Where's your TP on?
The TP is... Do you mean like for... No, I don't have one, bro.
Oh, you don't have one?
I don't have one.
But there's a high there on 4-5. Like, in fact, the all-time high. You see that all-time high that we just had? Yeah. There's a higher probability that we're going to push back there and possibly break that all-time high.
Agreed.
Because the sentiment is that this thing might go to 5,000, Ash.
Yeah.
$5,000.
Bro, on the silver, I have a TP though.
Oh, it's on. Okay,
it was on silver. It was on silver. It was right at that wick. You see that wick over there?
I see that wick. That 85 something.
Exactly. That's the wick. 85.347. That's the wick.
There we go. Yeah, no, look, silver, the same thing. You know, we're anticipating silver to push back to that all-time high that week and close that week and possibly break and continue up. Right?
Exactly.
Unless, of course, it tries to reject there. But what we're looking from where price is, from where it broke, from where it is, all the way to there, that is where the market is playing at right now.
Yeah.
So that is what we want to trade.
AUD USD. Look, man, this one very, very tricky because it's already broken above a key area. Now with Australia, the markets, they edged a little bit higher, the ASX 200. And obviously with equities and with the currencies, they have an inverse relationship.
Yeah.
So with the ASX going a little bit higher there, we saw the Australian dollar actually edge down. All right. And there was a lot of energy and gold stocks actually that rose. And this gave the index that specific power. And we're seeing the Aussie dollar weaken against the dollar based on the ASX 200 that actually went up. All right. And so what we're then looking for now is, even although we've edged higher, we've broken above a key area. In fact, the daily was above. This is just a correction right now. That's just really coming down.
That's what I'm thinking.
It's just it's just a correction. And if the dollar strengthens right now, then we could see it edge down, finish the structure, and then push up again.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm looking at there on the AUD USD. The USD JPY, this is a very, very interesting one, bro, because from a Japanese perspective, we're seeing they are actually keeping those, those hike rates. They're limiting it and the expectations of it. So the yen remains weak. Many people think that, the yen is just weak because the dollar is strong. No, it's also to do with the interest rates within Japan. So there is a mixture of economic tension that is actually happening over there. Also, they have something with China. There's some contracts, some trade plans there that's not as smooth as what it should be. So that's also adding pressure onto the yen, and the dollar is capitalizing on that.
I see. I see. No, that's very important information.
So now we have, let me just make this RSI just a bit thicker. And guys, the reason why I have the RSI there, I normally don't use too many indicators, but I do use it, from time to time, because just to give context, okay? Sure. Especially technically. So here you see the daily, you see the weekly and the monthly, all three of them is above the 50 mark. That tells us that the strength of the dollar is to the upside, right? If I put on a monthly and I zoom out, people need to understand this is actually an uptrend that is literally forming right now on the USD JPY.
Got you. I can see it. Yeah.
Overall, USD JPY, there is a uptrend bullish momentum forming.
Yeah.
Right now, this is a correction that is taking very long. You can't see the correction on the daily because this is, remember I said, this is the dramatization. It is the I don't know, the erratic movement, that emotions. This is the emotional chart, right? This is the actual chart, and you can see it. Look at that correction right there at the bottom. So this entire move is actually bearish momentum. It just looks like it's consolidating right there. You see, bro. So once we break out on that from that high, I'm telling you, the guys that have USD JPY long, the money that they can make, obviously, it's going to take some time. I mean, obviously, if this has taken so long, I mean, look at this, bro. It's 2025, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 years.
4 years
in this consolidation, in this correction. 4 years, bro. It's a long time. That's why this is great for scalping. If you want to get in quick, in and out. But if you're holding this thing, you must know you have periods. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it moved up. Do you see that? So, guys, notice what Mean T is actually pointing out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it pushed up. 1, 2. And then on the third year, found support. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and went up. So there is a 3-4 yearly pattern that actually pans out long term with this pair. And then we start seeing the actual movement. Do you see that?
Glad you mentioned that, bro. That the pattern that we're seeing here.
Exactly.
Right. Yeah. Makes sense.
You see, guys. Also, maybe just to add to that, we got what, like 12 minutes left?
To the report.
To the report. Maybe just to mention, there's some guys, they'll say, I only trade Euro USD. I only trade gold. Now the guys can understand why they only trade, because they know the pattern of that specific pair.
It's important to understand, I like using the word pattern and I like using the word behavior to understand the behavior of that pair.
Yeah.
And I like to make this analogy as that if you have, you've got children, and you know how your one child reacts if they are hungry.
Yes.
Compared to another one.
Yes.
Right? So now the pairs are also like that. So if you understand the behavior of that currency pair, you'll understand when it's time for it to go up or to go down, because it's going to create consistent movements and patterns that you will be able to recognize.
Yes.
And then that's when you say, okay, this one is building momentum to the downside or to the upside.
Yes.
And then you'll be in a better position to catch those movements.
Yes.
100%. In fact, I'm an advocate of trying to trade just a few pairs and learn their behavior.
Yes.
Before you add. You can add in later on, but make sure that you have a pair that you've mastered.
Mastered, right? So the USD JPY, bro, you know what? Let me actually do this, brother.
Yeah.
Let me start from scratch here on this one, so the guys can just get some context. Okay,
yes,
so
sir.
if the dollar strengthens today, we're looking at around 162 for it to go and touch there again.
162.
162.034.
Okay.
All right, so that's what we're looking for, back to that high over there.
Got
you. From a correction perspective, all right, you can see monthly is above 50, weekly is above 50, the daily is above 50. So the structure that we're actually dealing with right now, you can see it, is that here, hold on, let me actually do this, bro. So the structure, this is the actual structure that we're actually dealing with here. All right. So this is the structure that we're dealing with. Now look at the divergence here. Look at that area there. And then you can see this area here is not up, but it's a little bit more flat than this area here.
Got you.
So there is exhaustion, right? Okay. So now that we have our structure, it's important then to find the area that we possibly see price going down to, right? So what I normally do is, bro, I would look for a very, very low zone over here, because that's where the pressure came to. So from there we saw a low there. From the area we saw a low. So I normally look for a very low area. I can't use that one The reason why I can't use that one, I'm going to show you with a arrow here. This is pretty educational, bro.
It is, bro. Look, we're dishing out gems.
Guys,
listen.
Where's the guys? Where's the guys?
We're dishing out gems.
You guys realize that before the NFP comes here, we're giving these things away, yeah, guys? So I can't use this low here.
Yeah.
Because that low, all right, if you do this, hold on, let me just duplicate. Let me just do this. Give me a second, bro. So I can't use this one here. All right, because look where it is. See, that connection there is to this one over here. So I can't wait for price to necessarily go. Look at that. It's 157 and 155. So I can use this rather as a take profit area.
Come on. Come on, Ash. Come on. Guys.
They don't.
Guys.
I hope they team it. These guys.
Come on, Ash. Come on. Preach, my brother.
So now check here. So we won't use that. That's how we'll use it as a TP, right? Because it's realistic. It's realistic. So we got to go up now. So instead of using that one, now let's push up and see what is in the vicinity, right? So if we say, okay, we're going to use this one here, now we know we're dealing with that area there. So now what we need to do is we need to make a decision. Are we willing to wait? It's at 157, it's 156, right? Realistic movement from there to there, that is 88 pips. You tell me that's not a good move.
It's a good move.
You put 5 standard lots on that sucker.
You done.
You done for the week, bro.
Possibly you're going to reach your target, you're going to reach your monthly target.
You will reach it, right? 5 standard lots, you pushing, right? But now check this, bro. That is one area. Watch what I do here, because the guys need to know we plan. This is all part of planning,
yes,
right?
Sir.
It's all part of planning. Now check this out. Let me go to a lower time frame. Remember we said we're going to use probably 155 for TP. So the guys that want to get in, they want to be a little bit more aggressive. All right. Now they can switch to maybe a 15 minute. Right. And now that they have a 15 minute, check this. So now you take that same arrow. We're not going to use that there because that's there, right?
Okay.
Now check here. Hold on. So look at, you see that zone there?
I'm with you.
It's actually there.
With you.
So now what happens is we already passed that area. So the strength of this chart is already bearish.
Got you.
It's already bearish.
Got you.
So we experiencing a delayed move. That's a delayed move. So now what we do is we say, okay, we wait for a 15-minute candle to close beneath here. You don't even need to ride it to 155. You can ride it till there. So from there to there is 30 pips and you're out.
I know, listen, 30 pips on a Friday. It's good. It's good. I'm getting goosebumps now, bro. Look, I'm getting goosebumps because I'm in a session myself. I feel like a client now.
Bro, listen, I respect you for that, bro.
Listen,
I respect you for that, bro.
No. Look, bro. I appreciate the knowledge, you know. As a trader, you never stop learning. I appreciate the knowledge.
You're right.
Yeah, you never stop learning. And this is definitely something I want to look at. Look, guys, goosebumps here. I don't know how you guys feeling, but hey, look, I'm on a different planet now.
So, if we get a weaker dollar, we know what structure.
Yeah.
We there or we coming down here.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it, bro.
And we apply what we normally do is we wait for the 5, we wait for that low, and when we get the break beneath, pansi.
We hoy.
Exactly.
All right. With it.
Bro, any thoughts on US 30, NAS 100? I'm in a buy here. You know, I'm feeling a little bit, what's the word, queasy about this one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, to the tummy, because we know this is also all-time highs, NAS.
That is NAS, right?
But this correction could come if the dollar strengthens, bro.
So before you continue, NAS and US30, S&P 500, I'm bullish on those ones.
You also, okay, you're bullish, okay.
So NAS right now, I'm loving NAS because it still has to complete the structure and go back to that all-time high. So at the moment, we have that correction that's coming in that's taking a long time. I thought, where it initially broke around, I'll give you the level just now.
Yeah.
In fact, where it is, it's testing the break of the trend line, which is around 25500.
2550. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's the initial break that took place, I think, on Monday or Tuesday, right? And I thought from there, look, we are going up. Boom.
Yes.
And then for some reason we are coming back down in a correction, right?
Exactly, bro.
So yeah, so I'm bullish on this one. Where the market is right now is at the very critical level.
Yeah.
We have on the 4-hour chart, we have a pin bound the 4-hour chart.
Yes.
Right? One of the 4-hour candles. That indicates exhaustion. Obviously. But if you go to the 1 hour and the lower time frames, there's still a bit of structure to the upside.
Yes.
Do you see it?
Yes.
So my thought process, my plan is, honestly, to the downside, I don't have any plan to the downside on this one, just to the upside. So I'm gonna wait for this one just to find its feet and start giving me momentum towards the upside.
Towards the upside, yeah.
Maybe right now this is the momentum to the upside, just that it's a bit slow at the moment.
It's a little bit slow.
But I'm keeping an eye on 25500.9, that price level, to see if we're gonna get a break. In fact, it's a psychological number, 25500.
There we go. It's right here,
right there, Papa. So so let's see what's gonna happen. That if we respect that zone, then we see NAS going up.
Exactly. But now, bro, you know, what I'm actually seeing now.
Sure.
If we do come here, because remember, actually, let me do this because, okay, let me leave that one on and get a new chart.
Sure.
So that I don't want to take away that now because I'm actually monitoring it on that one, right?
Okay.
So if we take a brand new chart, so from a monthly perspective, we're up, right? Weekly, we're up.
Yep.
Daily, we are up because look where that index is.
Yeah.
Even although that is at the bottom, that's done price. It's closed price. The open price is above the 50. That's the active strength right now.
Got you.
And it's above, right? So if we find structure there, if we have to find structure, we actually have structure to the upside, right? That's the structure.
Yeah.
Now, check this out, bro. If we go, you can use the 1 or the 30 minutes, right? Doesn't matter.
Sure.
So this area here, which is a low there, that is a little bit high.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Look at this zone here. Look at that area there. There's where the divergence came in. You see, that's where the divergence came in. So if we get a push, do you see how this is the zone where we could be finding support? Hold on, let me just do this, bro. I just want to show you exactly the areas where we could find this thing actually going to if we get a stronger dollar here.
Sure.
This is where we may find our feet.
I see. Yeah.
You see what I'm saying, bro?
Yeah.
So we might find our feet somewhere in here. So if I go to a 4-hour, look at that. It's a beautiful higher low. And I found that at the place where the divergence happened, the change of strength.
Got you.
You see? So we may just find it there and then Pezulu.
On that note, sorry to cut you.
Yeah.
We are 40 seconds away now.
Ooh,
40 seconds away. Let me do this. Let me do this quickly. We are 40 seconds away. Guys, NFP's coming up. What are you expecting? Tell us.
Come on, guys.
Tell us, what are you expecting? Right, NFP coming up. There we go.
So guys, you saw there the forecast is 66,000, right? 66,000.
Yeah.
We have what? 14 seconds left.
Yeah, now 12, now 11, 10 seconds. Come on.
Come on.
Are you ready, guys, for NFP? What are you expecting? Talk to us.
I'm here at the gold for now, just to see what happens.
We go. Right, the report is out.
Oh. Look at that.
Let's see.
There's a fight here.
Look, NAS is going up.
Is NAS going up?
NAS is going up.
Which is what we are on US30 up.
Yeah.
Yen, look at the yen, but you see there's where it comes in. Look, you see that?
Got you, yeah.
But remember, the Bank of Japan is on the interest rate thing as well. So, okay, gold left a spike.
All right, gold left a spike.
Let's quickly look at AUD USD.
Sure.
Down here with the 1 hour. Look at that, 15 minutes. It's yeah, this one is not actually, there's a spike here.
That's on?
on AUD USD.
Yeah, I'm looking at the spike as well. Yo, there's a massive spike down.
But look at that, 50,000. So it's as expected. Look at that.
Yeah, let me look at the figures. So the figures are, okay, 50,000 from 66,000 expected.
Yeah.
Unemployment rate came out positive, yeah?
Yeah, it's a mixture, this, bro.
Yeah, I agree. It's a mixture. Average hourly earnings 0.3% from 0.1. Markets forecasting 0.3. So that
but that's expected. And Xander also mentioned that to us earlier. Remember, he said that obviously because of the season of December, the guys are being hired, and so the wages they are expected to go up.
Expected to go up. So there's seasonal data.
It's a seasonal data, and he did also mention, which is true. He said that it's just short term. It's a quick thing, and then we go back, right? So look at gold, silver. So I'm still good here. Look at that. Look at
that. So I'm gonna go to silver. I'm looking at AUD USD is perfect. That silver. Let's look at the silver.
Silver's up.
Silver is it's gonna push.
It's gonna push up. I'm already long on that one.
Gold is gonna. I'm looking at gold to go long on that one. Okay. Silver, you're already in, right?
I'm already in. So I'm gonna go in with gold with you. What time frame do you want there, bro? Because I've got the 4480.43.
Yeah, I've got. You see that 4480.3.
Yeah,
I'm on the M15.
M15. Okay, so you're right. Okay, so we got how many minutes left here? We got a few minutes left.
Yeah. So I'm loving this spike to the downside, and this is in line with what you just seen from the figures, right?
Yes.
So gold, we're looking to go up. I'm waiting for it to break 4480.3.
Yes.
I'm on the M15. Maybe look at the M5. Maybe look at the H1 just to have a bit of confirmation, but M15 is mine. All right, so we are
above.
We are above that, right?
We've broken.
Okay, we are above that. I'm gonna go in.
Okay, yeah, let me go in.
We are above that. I'm gonna go in. Okay, so I'm in on gold. I'm in on gold.
Look at USD JPY now. You see,
gold is flying,
bro.
Ooh. Yeah, USD JPY. Sorry. Yeah.
Look what, and just as per our analysis, we said the weakness was already factored in.
Yeah.
So 157, that's 30 pips, guys, to the downside. NAS 100, I'm already in there for long. Gold, already up. I've just gotten in there. Silver, I'm already in there.
Yeah, I'm on gold. I'm looking to join on silver. I think silver is very good. And then USD JPY, obviously, if the commodities are going up, USD JPY tends to go down.
Yes.
That is the correlation that we use. All right. So USD JPY also, Ash, looking for downside.
For some downside, yeah.
Yeah. But now we need to be careful. This is the current M15 candle, all right? So we wanted to close very bullish for us to be able to manage this, right? I'll just unpack it once we go.
Yes.
So there's we're 3 minutes in. 3 minutes in, gold is broken above 4480. We are looking to go to 4497.8.
Okay.
Possibly going to that all-time high.
Look at that. Already in profits there with gold.
Already in profits as well.
Is there anyone else here, guys? You guys saw it. Quickly, guys, in the chat facility, let us know if you guys pulled the trigger for gold, for silver. Quickly just pop a chat in the facility for us over there. Yeah?
Yeah, do let us know, guys, right? Okay, so USD JPY not ready for me, but that silver is looking good. That gold is looking good. So, I think on my side, Ash, those two, silver and gold.
Yeah, silver and gold. The 15 minute. All right. So okay. So I'm gonna redo this, but I'm gonna do it on a shorter time frame.
Sure.
So the 4 hour up, 1 hour up, 15 down. All right. So, bro, we might get a quick correction as well here.
A bit of a correction,
A bit of a correction first. Okay. So hold on. So let me just give structure here.
Sure.
To the guys so they understand. So let's just give some structure to the guys. So, guys, this is all short term, okay? This is
gold is flying, yeah?
Gold flying there. This is all short term, guys. And this is actually beautiful, bro.
There we go.
Oh, this is actually beautiful. I am going to short this.
Yeah, look.
This USD JPY, I'm going to short this thing.
No, look, I'm with you. USD JPY, I'm with you.
I just want to give the guys the area.
Sure.
And look, it's rejecting that zone of mine exactly, which is really powerful. Look at this. So I'm going to wait for the 15 minute to close beneath here, bro. I'm going to show you the area now. It's already going down.
Yeah.
So at 15:45, I'm going to take the trade if the 15-minute closes beneath.
Okay, around 15.40. We'll check it there.
Yeah, the moment I see that, so I'm now going to a 15-minute, and that's what I'm looking for. So if a 15-minute closes like that, I'm shorting. I'm shorting.
Right. And also, let me just remind the guys quickly, right? Remember, guys, we are scalping this. We're not holding for a long time. We're scalping. So if you're in gold or silver, whatever, you see profits, you want to close, you can close.
Exactly.
All right. Yeah, you can close because we can close anytime.
All right. Close, please, guys. If you are Tabang, I see Tabang is selling USD JPY as well.
Yeah, you need to keep an eye.
Dixon in gold. Tanya, you in profits there. Beautiful. Remember, guys, to tease words there, just to back him. It's scalping, guys. If you've made your cash, there's nothing wrong with getting out, okay?
Yeah.
All right. There's nothing wrong with that.
So you said USD JPY.
USD JPY beneath 157.550. That is the area. If a 15-minute closes beneath there, because that's a massive rejection.
Yeah.
What I do anticipate though, bro, that, it's something we saw last year since we've been doing it. When spikes like that are left, it does correct the spikes. And then it comes down later. That's just how it is. Look at silver. It's struggling there. Look.
Yeah, there's a bit of struggle at the moment. Gold also just a bit, but it's slightly on break even on my end.
Yeah.
USD JPY. Yeah, this one is pushing, right? It's pushing.
Look at that. Yeah. So but guys, please remember, this is the dramatization of the fundamentals. So please, this is the emotions. This is the guys that are getting in now. But remember, the movement will stabilize. The movement will stabilize. For silver, I took the trade 79350. All right, right there. It went down for 2 days. So I've been waiting for 2 days, and 2 days ahead of NFP. Do you see that? So yes, I went in. Could I have waited? Yes, but I wanted to get in and solidify my position.
Gold is flying. Come on, Ash. Gold is flying.
Yeah, that's.
Talk
look at
to
that.
us, guys. Yeah, no, gold is flying.
To 4497.
4497, right?
4497.
Gold is flying, guys, right? Gold is flying. Look at that. USD JPY is just a matter of time, but gold is flying. If you look, we're scalping. If you nice with the profits, take it. It's a Friday. In and out.
Exactly.
But let me check who's in profits on gold right now. Put a fire emoji. I don't know, something there.
Let us know there, guys. Let us know. Yeah, let us know. We're in 70, guys. Put some more likes on there, guys. A few more likes.
Please.
In the chat facility, not in the chat facility, on our platform for the stream.
Yeah. So gold is scalping in and out. I'll let the guys know when I'm out. Yeah. It's struggling a little bit, but still in profits. So the high of the M15 candle, Ash, it's going back to that high. My goodness. Ooh,
there we go.
This is beautiful.
So USD JPY, I'm still going to go in. The moment I see the closure there, I'm going in. I'm not even concerned whether it corrects because the RSI, the strength is to the downside.
Tabang is with you there. He's in profits on USD JPY.
Oh, wow. Nice.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful, Tabang. There's that correction there possibly now. We got how many minutes left? 11 minutes?
About 2:45 or...
Yeah, to 15:45. No, 6 minutes.
You got 6 minutes,
6 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, so my plan for gold is the high of the current M15 candle. Once it breaks that, it's on 4489.5. Once it breaks that, I'm going out of this one, Ash.
Yeah.
I think it's a clean one. Yeah, going out of this. I'm only holding gold on my end. Once it breaks 4489.5, I'm out of this.
You're out of it.
Yeah.
All right.
And then we'll see what USD JPY does. It's fighting close to that high. I might go out, but let me just give it a few more seconds. It's pushing back. Are we going to go out?
Look at that.
It's beautiful. We are approaching. We are reaching it. There we go.
Nice. Silver's going to go up.
No. That one needs patience.
AUD, USD. Whilst the guys are busy, let me quickly just do this one here for the guys.
Sure.
But remember, I already got in here.
All right. So quickly, sorry to cut you. I'm out on gold.
You're out. All right.
Yeah, out on gold.
T's out already, guys.
Profits. Yeah.
So out here continue. Myself. I'm getting out. Yeah.
Whew, it's flying. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, you can continue.
Out. All right, guys. So AUD, USD here. Down. Yeah, so we need to actually break this area here. Let me just do this, bro.
That zone you highlighted?
Yeah,
or which one?
Over here. Which is very, look how odd this is. Many guys will do this. They'll say it's here because of that high, right? Or there. But that's not actually the case, bro. This is where. That's where it is.
Okay.
That's where it is. So if we get a 15-minute above there,
yeah,
that's up.
Okay. What level is that?
That is 0.66999. Oh, what a number.
0.66999.
Yeah, what a number, bro. It's like
66999.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 15-minute above there.
Yeah.
So we got 4 minutes left.
4 minutes left.
That's both USD JPY and AUD USD.
Yeah. So gold, I'm out. I'm happy on this one. Now remember, guys, this is the current M15 candle.
Yes.
Now normally we would wait for it to close.
We're already out.
Yeah. So right now we just capitalize on that. So let's see how it's gonna close and what candle we're gonna get after. We might still capitalize on the next candle.
Yes.
So standing by. Oh, feels nice saying that, standing by
for some time, eh? So USD JPY, we got what, 3 minutes left. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. This is it's actually really nice. And the great thing about this move here, you can see this is a higher low forming.
Yeah.
Because it's been going up very steeply here. So we need that now down here.
Yep.
Oof, it looks good. And we got how many? Oh, still 3 minutes.
It's trading on the trend line, huh?
Yeah, it's right on the trend line. There could be a bounce up, but it doesn't even matter.
Yeah, the 5 minutes, the 1 minute still fighting.
It's still, it doesn't even matter. So we got 2 minutes left there.
Yeah.
There we go. AUD USD, look at that. Absolutely stunning. 15-minute above there.
Yeah, I've been keeping an eye on AUD since you brought it up.
Yeah.
Look, it's doing too much. Yeah, no, look, AUD is just proper.
It's a proper one, eh?
So that level, let's get a break. I'm hoping that M15 candle will break above that.
Exactly.
Before any pullback comes in.
Yes.
Before,
Exactly. Because if the 15-minute closes like that, yeah, then it's going to be a pullback. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty here, the USD JPY. Look at this beauty here.
That
beautiful.
USD JPY.
Absolutely stunning. 1 minute 35 seconds left, guys. Beautiful.
And how is it looking on your end, guys? Talk to us.
Yeah, guys.
Talk to us. USD JPY. Yo, look at this.
Bro, that exhaustion came in early, bro.
Okay, now we are about a minute and a couple of 2 minutes away from the closure of this candle. So
look at the AUD USD.
Yeah, it's flying. It's above that level. It's flying, bruh.
Man.
It's flying.
Loving it. Gold, guys. And gold is standing a bit still now. It's all right. Silver is
silver
up.
also.
So, guys, we on AUD USD and USD JPY.
Yeah.
We've got 58 seconds left.
Let's go. Let's go
58.
for it. So let's see how this candle closes.
Yeah.
All right. No, it's been a first NFP for 2026.
Oh, yeah.
Profitable one, successful one.
Yes.
Let's see what we can do.
NAS is up.
NAS was,
All right. So USD JPY. 39 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 39 seconds. 35. Here we go.
How is it looking on your end, guys?
Where's Mel? Where's Pete? Where's
Talk to
Jace? 25 seconds left. AUD USD is above there. Beautiful. This is a high. New high reached.
AUD USD.
Yes.
Yo.
Beautiful.
Imagine we caught it from the bottom.
Exactly. But you see, we could have if I went to a 1 minute frame, we could have caught it.
Definitely.
So look at that now, bro. 3 seconds, and I'm in, bro.
Okay, there we go. So let's see. So the M15 closed.
It closed.
Yeah. Be careful of the pullback that might come in.
Yes. And the AUD USD also went above.
Yeah, the AUD USD
it closed above.
Yeah, closed above.
So guys, there is and looks like a pullback is coming.
Yeah.
But I got into the USD JPY because that's a very strong rejection candle to the downside.
So gold is pulling back also. Gold and silver are going to fly.
Yeah.
Just a matter of time.
Yeah. And that's not a very strong pullback at this point in time on gold.
Not a very strong one.
Can you hear me, bro?
Not a very strong one. Let me do
1
this.
2 1 2. Can everybody still hear me there? Let me know.
Yep.
All right, still good. All right.
Still with us, my brother.
All right. So AUD USD up. I'm also in there, bro. I'm up on the AUD USD. USD JPY, I'm in there. Looks like it's going that way. Look at that. Let's see. There's a 5 minute now.
All right. Yeah, USD JPY.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Okay, now there's a low here, Ash, right? The low is on 157.35. 157.35. That's the most recent low.
157.35.
35.
Okay.
Yeah, check that low out. So
all right.
wherever the correction will end, a break of that low, more momentum to the downside.
Yes.
And AUD USD, let's see. Yeah, this one, the M15 candles high.
Yeah.
Around 0.67025. So that's 0.67025. So
there we go.
wherever the correction will end, a break of that momentum will continue. So at least there's potential now.
There's potential on both of them. Guys, me and T, we're seeing the next opportunities, AUD USD and USD JPY.
And gold is still, I'm out, but it's still in profit for some of the guys.
Exactly.
So
guys,
that's good.
Let us know there. Mel, I just watched. You chicken out. You got to get into the classes there, Bravo. Let us know, man. Why? So we can, fix that, yeah?
Yeah, and it's okay. So we've got CPI next week. So, CPI moves and gives us nice movement. So, prepare for the CPI. It's fine.
Euro stocks. This one I thought this one was going to go down.
The Euro stocks.
Yeah. Based on where it was, but the 4 hour didn't close beneath, so I left it. The Japanese Nikkei did come down as anticipated on Tuesday. It did come down, but it now, went up again. So I've just left it really.
Okay.
Euro USD, you can see here that above this zone is going to be critical. I'm waiting for 15 minute above this area here. Once I get the 15 minute there, I'm gonna. I actually want to push in. See the Euro USD.
That's a nice setup.
It's a very nice setup, and I'm gonna take it from there. I'm gonna take it just up to the zone here, possibly. That's about 50 pips.
Yeah, no, that's a nice. I'm with you on that one. That's a nice one. Yeah.
Look at that. So 15 minute candle here. We got till 1600 hours for that one.
No, that's a beautiful one. I'll be watching it.
Okay. Give me 1600. I typed
1600 hours.
Yeah.
Let's check what Nasdaq is doing in the meantime. Where's Nasdaq now?
Okay, Nas is still up, bro. I got it there.
Yeah, still up. There we go.
Still up. Silver is still there. Gold is still there. AUD USD.
So this Nas could be the continuation to the upside that you spoke about there.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
Yeah,
exactly. It's now gone above that zone. Look at the USD JPY. It's closed. Look at that correction taking place, which I mentioned. So you see this area here? That becomes a zone for some of the guys to sell.
Yeah.
If we go up till there.
Yeah.
That becomes a beautiful zone to sell.
There's a lot of liquidity there.
Exactly. So if you sell from there and we come down, you're going to be making some good cash.
Yeah, definitely.
Look at that. Yeah, look at the AUD USD. Look at that.
Let me go to it. Is it correcting?
It's correcting. Yeah, it's correct.
Yeah. Usually after such a big move to the upside, there's a bit of correction, especially with these fundamentals, that M15 candle.
Yes.
Yeah, so we just need to wait for the higher low to form. Then we know we continue this to the upside.
Yep.
I think Tabang was in USD JPY. How is that looking there, T? Let us know. And the rest of you guys, if you did not enter any positions, it's okay, right? We've got CPI next week and many NFPs after that. So let us know. I was on gold. I'm out. Anticipating gold to go up, to still go up. So yeah,
we're seeing Aziz there, gold money in the bank. Nice.
Aziz banked some profits there. Okay, so gold at the moment slightly pushing down. right? So now we're waiting for this candle because this candle has not closed. So let's see how it closes. If it closes as a pin bar, then you guys know what's going to happen next.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're standing by. We're standing by. We're standing by. Definitely. Yeah, no, I agree. Ready for the CPI. Come on. Ready for the CPI. Oh, Bravo took the USD ZAR.
Ooh.
Bravo wasn't. Yeah, let me open USD ZAR. Let's see there. Might have missed a nice move there.
1647 right now.
1647.
Mm-hmm.
We might have missed a nice move. Okay, it's still going down.
It's bearish, yeah.
Yeah. Aha, I see that move.
Ooh,
yeah.
Man, this is a structure and a half, bro.
Yeah, no, 100%. 100%.
Let me just, Bravo, let me give you this, bro. Let me give you this. You know what? We are actually, this is actually very bearish right now. All right, let me just give a zone here. All right, Bravo. This one is beautiful because we've just dropped in a very important area. Just see which one it is. All right, so this area here, that's a key zone. And we're already below. Look at that.
Yeah.
We're already below it. So like right now, if by 4 o'clock, if that candle closes, look, it's already closed, bro. This is just a correction. The guys could have gone in already. It's already a trade. It's done.
It is, as I agree. It is.
That's already a trade. So if you're in there, well done to you, man.
Yeah.
Well done.
I think in future you must keep USD ZAR just on the side. Just check, just on the side, check
exactly
what it's doing. Because it might give us some explosive movements.
Exactly. Look at gold now and look at silver. Even the USD JPY, you can see there's a higher low forming here.
Yeah.
Sorry, not a higher low, a lower high.
Yeah. See? Gold, we're looking for that pin bar, that higher low. Silver, that higher low. AUD, USD, that higher low.
Yes.
USD JPY, that lower high.
That lower high, look at that.
That
see
lower high.
Okay,
standing
very
by.
well.
Standing by.
Still in profit, nice.
So there's about 7 minutes left to the close of this candle. Standing by. What's up?
Check Bravo there. Bravo. Yeah, guys, that's the gold. Right. That's the gold, guys.
Yeah, so gold, happy with gold.
Yes.
Caught that move just before the retracement there. Super good one. So we just need to wait a little bit for this candle to close and see how it closes.
Yeah, guys, look, I think we've been clear. Maybe just to loop around quickly.
Yeah, sure. Go for it, bro.
Silver, we still see the upside.
Yeah.
Even if price does push down a little bit, we see the upside here.
Yeah.
Gold, same upside. That's what we see here at this point. AUD USD, we're looking at some upside here as well. We're just waiting for price to correct. USD JPY, there's a bit of downside here. You can see there is definitely space for it. It's now rejecting there. We're just waiting to see what happens in this zone. T did mention the low there of 157.350. We break beneath that area over there. Continued movement to the downside. All right. Right now, this was the first low it created. All right. From a structural perspective, resistance, low. So we're waiting for the structure to finish creating and giving us a lower low. Then we get the momentum to the downside. US 30 at this point in time is still bullish. NAS, we still see the buyers over there. S&P 500, we see the buys there. We're still seeing a weaker dollar at this point in time. I think that's it's specific. It's clear.
I think you just summarized everything we'll be looking at, right?
Yeah.
So look, at the moment you can see there's a bit of a correction, but as Ash mentioned, we're still looking for the direction we spoke about. All right. So just keep your eyes on the charts. Don't miss out.
Yeah.
And if you caught some pips, congratulations.
Yes.
If not, the CPI is coming. We are with you on the CPI. I think it's at 3:30 as well, right?
Yeah, it
CPI.
should be. It should be at 3:30 as well.
Same time. We're going to start that one at 3 o'clock. Keep
Yes.
an eye on our social media pages. Yeah. Other than that, Ash, I think we just need to wait for the movements.
Yeah, we'll just wait, guys. But yeah, I think that's about it.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the first one for 2026.
Yes,
We're
yes.
hoping you guys had a good festive season. Once again, Happy New Year. Wishing you guys all the best for 2026. Let's fly, let's eat, let's run, let's just continue the momentum, you know. I don't know what to say there. I just freestyled it. You know, yeah.
Love it, bro.
No, look, let's run. The race is not
For the Swift.
Yeah.
It's not for the Swift.
I would say it's not easy, but yeah, the race is not easy.
so sorry. I went into the verses again, right?
Oh no, please,
I
my
went-
brother. Please, my brother. The platform is here.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, but no, look, guys. Let's continue doing what you're doing with faith, and let's go, guys. Let's go. Happy for this year. I mean, excited for this year. I'm seeing the new people on the chat today,
Yeah,
right? Thank
yeah.
you for joining us. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you for the 60-something people who watched us live. And yeah, guys. No, look, a good, successful NFP.
Yeah.
Now we gearing up for the CPI.
CPI, guys. That's next week, ladies and gentlemen. Have a fantastic one. Thank you once again. I'm not going to say what T said, everything he needed to say to take us out. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you guys soon. All right. Ciao, ciao.
Yes, sir. Come on.
All right.